Welcome to the channel. Here we master tricky words and their pronunciations. Today we're tackling the word Mellisonant. It might seem a little tricky, but by the end of this video, you'll be able to pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is Mellisonant. Let's break it down. First, we have mel, which sounds like mel in melody. Next is ih, which sounds like the I in bit. Then comes so, which rhymes with go, and is the stressed syllable. Finally, nunt, which sounds like nunt in hunt. Now let's put it all together. Mellisonant. Try repeating after me, Mellisonant. Now a little faster, Mellisonant. And at full speed, Mellisonant. Keep practicing, and soon this word will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Mellisonant refers to a sound that is sweet or pleasant to hear, often used to describe a soothing or harmonious tone. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce Mellisonant and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.